So I just finished planning this basket for Mother's Day, and the petunias look pretty. I really like the colors, but I'm kind of disappointed in how small the basket looks. So I'm going to try adding some vertical height using my dome trellis.
Next thing we're going to do is we're going to install the trellis onto the basket. Make sure that you have a wire or a metal hook. The plastic ones won't work with this trellis. The ideal pot size is going to be 14 inches, or it could be 12, but 14 to 16 works great. We're going to pick up our assemble trellis. We're going to put that hook right in the middle of it. Rotate it down, and these legs, put them right in between the wires that are there opposite each other, and go all the way around. And just stick these in. And these could be adjusted to make it look the best.
So I added the Scroll Trellis Dome Trellis to lift the profile and also to give the basket a clean and rounded form. The basket instantly became taller and fuller looking, and blooms still stay at center stage. So now that we have a nice looking day basket, what I wanted to do is create a little nighttime magic. And to do that, I laced on some solar string lights. I laced the lights onto the frame of the dome trellis, which you can see in the far right image. No outlet is needed, and the lights come on automatically at dusk. And just see how the basket glows at night. So we have a basket for daytime color and the same basket for evening ambiance. Do you want to create your own show-stopping basket? Try the Scroll Trellis Dome Trellis. It's available with and without solar lights, and the link to the products are below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share.